Ricky's parents were here and we've pretty much just been hanging out today. They left a few hours ago and we just had a really nice morning. We spent some time with the little boy, gave him breakfast, and then he went down for a nap, and Ricky cooked up breakfast outside on our new grill, which is such a lifesaver. We had chorizo, bacon, eggs, and potatoes, and it was so good. It was so nice not having to smell up the house with the chorizo, because that smell can definitely linger, and the cleanup is so much easier on that grill top. I would highly recommend, if you guys are looking to get a grill, get a griddle top. Get a griddle top style. It's just such a lifesaver. Our friends have had one for a long time and we've always talked about getting one as well. And I'm so glad that we finally did. But yeah, we've just had such a fun weekend. Tomorrow's Memorial Day and Ricky's off work. So I think we may try and go for another hike again up at Hacienda River Preserve. Because it is going to be such a nice day tomorrow again. I think the high is only supposed to be like 77, and then after that it's going to get up into the 90s, and by like June 1st it will be hitting 100 degrees. So that's when I draw the line. Stay inside. Do not want to go and endure the heat. But yeah, we're just going to hang out today. We've had such a good weekend, finding out some exciting stuff that we'll be sharing soon. What else? Ricky, what are you eating? Pancakes? Are they good pancakes? Right here, look. Here. There you go. Yeah, you silly boy. So I just actually made some, they're called baby pancakes, and I'll leave a link down below. But super simple, and I tasted them. They taste so good. So you need just one little container of applesauce, oats, maple syrup, baking soda, baking powder. I only had baking powder on hand, and I know you can just pretty much interchange those. Which actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think it's like a 3-to-1. I don't know. I just used the exact amount of baking powder, vanilla extract, and milk. And you can use any milk that you have. We have coconut milk on hand, so that's what I use today. And you just blend the oats up until they're really fine, and then you mix everything in together. And then just drop them by spoonfuls onto your pan. And I just greased the pan with coconut oil. So yeah, they were super yummy. It's called apple and oat pancakes, and I think on the website, I got it off Pinterest, but I think on that lady's blog, she has other options. It looked like she had like a pumpkin kind, which sounds really good. It said in the recipe apple puree, which should just be applesauce, I believe. I mean, it definitely worked out. And the baby boy loved them. Did you like your pancakes? Yeah, a good little afternoon snack. Yeah. So it's just Sunday afternoon. We're just hanging out here. And what do you think? You want to go see Daddy? Yeah. He's working out in the garage, so let's go see. Here he is.
Hello, boy.
Hello, boy.
You're gonna make your dad go weak.
What was your daddy doing? Being so strong? Ah.
Santa Claus.
Wiki.
Smack that in the face. I didn't think this one out very well.
Why? How to get down? Are you ready, baby? Ricky! Whoa!
Was that so much fun?
Whoa!
Was that so much fun?
Mommy's turn?
You trust Mama? Nah.
The little slide?
Mama gonna drop me. Then I cooked dinner for me and my dad. Little turd nugget. Okay, he stole the fish. Yep, there's the fish right there. Oh boy. We had eggs. After dinner, I told my dad a ghost story. Boy, did he get scared. I gave my dad a big hug. That made him feel better. Then we went to bed. I stayed up with my dad and let him read a story to me. Look it, they got a picture of their mama in the tent. The mama bear. We slept in our tent all night long. Just me and my dad. What do you think? You gonna go camping? Just me and you? Mama's got the other baby out here. Me and you go camping? Three CR, what the hell does that mean?
It does it right.
I know. Just me and my dad.
Are you gonna read a book? Yeah, those are words. Nope.
Get that out of your mouth.
Okay, you ready for Mimi's, baby?
Let's go, memers. Say, Mama.
You
Give me
ready
that.
for Mimi's?
Oh, yeah.
Mwah. Mwah.
That one,
Bottom line is, if we have to do the engine, transmission, plus all the other repairs,
We figured out a new way to work on the office.